We have really exciting news!
And we're going to be converting it into our new home on wheels for our family of 5.
So for those of you that don't know, for the past 12 months we have been living in this tiny thing, but we need something bigger, hence the lorry.
In this episode we are going to be revealing our new home on wheels, our new lorry. So stick around.
Yeah, stick around.
Yeah, stick around.
Want
some of this? Want some of this?
We're dreamers, don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers, don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way.
After several big discussions, trying to make sure we were about to make the right decision, it was time for us to make a very important phone call.
Hi there, Chris, Richard here. Hi. Yeah, look, we've had me and Kira have had a good chat. Yeah, we're happy to do. Yeah, no, just give us a shout and we'll come up. Woohoo!
Today,
We've just bought a lorry, Jack.
Good stuff.
We've bought a lorry, guys.
We bought a lorry.
Righto, guys. So yes, we have bought a lorry, and that's words that I never thought would come out of my mouth.
Yeah, a bit strange, isn't it?
It's
It feels
crazy.
good though. It feels really good.
It feels amazing.
Yeah.
It feels awesome. And the big work now starts. So that's the scary bit. That is
It
the
is.
scary
It's
bit.
going to get hectic, manic and hectic, and yeah, we're going to be very busy.
Very busy summer. But before we pick the lorry up, we do have some other things that we need to get done, including taking the van for its MOT. So I've been doing a few checks. I'll go show them. These are man jobs. Man jobs, not women jobs. I'm gonna get in trouble for saying that, aren't I? So I've had a little look this morning at our fluids, done all of our light checks and stuff like that, tyre checks. I think it's looking good, and I'm hoping it will go through its MOT nice and easy. But you would have seen last week's video. We have a really squeaky wheel, and I'm not sure what that's about. It could be the brake disc or the brake pad. I have checked them and they both look pretty decent. So I'm not sure what that is. So I'm going to get them to take that wheel off and have a look for me. But we're probably going to stay around here for a few days, get some laundry done, just have a chill out. Our kids are enjoying it. There, look, running, free range kids, playing about. And yeah, so we'll catch you in a bit.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
It's like 27 degrees today, so we've come to do laundry. That's all in now. Then Rick's just gone inside and got us some ice cream, so help cool us down a bit while we're sat in this car
guys, we
park.
only have one bowl.
Only one bowl?
That's a shame. I'll have to
Haven't
read
done
it
the
then.
washing up. So I think we're going to just have to get spoons for everybody and just dig in.
When I'm in this
Oh no! Let me taste it again. Oh,
Right, so good news, the van passed its MOT, so we're now just enjoying the sunshine. A few drinks, we've got a barbecue going as well, a few sausages, some hot dogs, so celebrating the van passing, but most importantly the fact that we now have a lorry.
All being prepared by the naked chef.
I know, you're getting your gut out on the tube.
Not my gut. I'm giving who is he?
Who?
Not Gordon Ramsay, Jamie Oliver a run for his money. He was the naked chef, wasn't he?
He was, yeah.
I think I've aged better. I'm biased.
Make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love. This is all we got. Show me life, show me love. This is all.
Right, that's mine. This is yours. Hold it. Okay, hold the bottom like that.
Important life lessons here.
Yeah. See, how dare the homeschooling board question my education. Okay, now lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Lift up. There we go. There you go, that's your one. Yeah?
Can't have it.
Just taste it.
Taste it and tell me
Yeah.
what you think.
I'm gonna cry. No.
No, just taste a bit.
Go on. You're allowed.
That's a special kids beer.
It's kids'
No, that's
beer,
actually
Jack.
a kids beer.
Daddy's made it for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
I like this one. I like this.
No, you can't have this.
Beer. I like it.
Is it good?
Nice beer.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Right, you better cheers, Daddy, then.
That on you.
Don't give all the secrets away.
This is all we got. Show me up.
Good morning, guys. So we moved on yesterday and we stayed the night in the Peak District. We found this beautiful little park up, quite small, only 5 pitches. But what Rick didn't realise when he booked it was that it's actually an ice cream parlour. So.
Yeah. Big, well, I say big area. It cost me more because I had to buy everyone ice cream.
Yeah, you did.
Which was expensive. But yeah, no, really nice little park up. Good views. We had it all to ourselves.
All to ourselves, but our only gripe was that when we arrived, we parked on a pitch and went in to check in, and we parked on number 2. We're like, oh, we just parked number 2, is that all right? And they said, no, we have to move to number 1 because just in case
Very
anyone
regimented.
else arrives, and it's just
Yeah.
the system, they can't change the system.
Yeah.
And no one else arrived, so
Yeah, we were the only ones here, and they put us right next to the road. And
Yeah.
I'd say normally, if you're a campsite, you know, and you're empty,
accommodate people.
yeah, be accommodating.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's a very nice place.
Still nice.
That was a little whinge. It's not a big
yeah.
deal. We sleep in much worse places
We
than
do,
this.
we do.
Yeah.
But today is a really exciting day, the day we've been waiting for, because we are now off to go and pick up our lorry. Which-
Yeah, no, it's yeah, it's exciting, a little bit nerve-wracking as well because it's near Oldham, so it's not exactly like in an industrial estate where I can drive straight out onto some big
No,
roads.
it's a busy area
It's
near
it's a very
Manchester.
busy area. Last time we left, it took us about at least half an hour, 40 minutes to get out of the sort of city-ish bit.
Yeah, it was busy, but
yeah.
you'll be all right.
Yeah, no, it'll be
I'm
fine. Like
worried.
it's, well, you know, if you're a road user and you're concerned, you need to be more worried about Kira driving a van than you
Yeah.
are me driving a lorry.
Like, I've driven this van maybe, I don't know,
Once?
less than 10 times, definitely less than 10 times.
Yeah.
So I've got to get in this today. And,
Yeah.
and
Well, in the
drive.
past 12 months, you've probably only driven.
Oh, in the past 12, yeah.
And you've probably only
Less than
driven
5.
Yeah, hardly anything. So yeah, definitely one to be cautious about. We should have done a live to warn people. That's a good point. Should we do a live to warn people now? But no, it's we're gonna go pick it up now. So yeah, we're gonna be lorry owners in a couple of hours. Pretty
Yeah.
exciting stuff.
Put the pedal to the floor. Flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip off, wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down. We'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found. We'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together. We both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up. 'Cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Right guys, we're here. We've just arrived at the place we're buying our lorry from. So Rick's just gone inside, he's going to do all the paperwork. I think we're going to have to go and drive away again because I think we have to go to a post office to get it taxed. Could be wrong, but Rick said something about, you know, because it's a private heavy goods vehicle, going to be classed as that, you can't do it online, you have to go to a post office. So we'll just wait and see. He'll come back and then we'll figure out what's happening. All right guys, so we've now bought the lorry, which is really exciting. So Rick's going to be driving the lorry back to our park up. Piper's gone in the front with him, so she's really excited. And then I've got these boys in the front with me because I'm driving the van back. Let's go.
Do you know the way back? It doesn't matter. You know the way back. With your either one of them.
Beasting it down that hill.
He's down there.
I know.
That way, that way, that way. There he is.
I've lost Rick at the first set of traffic lights.
Turn that way, turn that way.
Turf lane,
No, I don't think that's the right way.
That way.
That way, that way, that way.
No, ignore that. We found him! Tell you what, he was going for it though. He was really gunning. He left that place really quickly. I was not ready.
Can't believe we have got this lorry, guys.
I know. You excited, Jack?
It's gonna be amazing living in this lorry.
Right Right, so we're finally back at our pitch. I parked up first, so I needed to make sure that the access was clear for Rick. So he just waited in a lay-by, and I've just given him a phone call and said, we're fine, you can come on in. So we're just waiting for him now. So this should be the big reveal for you guys. This is the lorry that we have bought.
I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home.
Oh mate, I've already got a trucker's arm. My arm is burnt like a crisp. That is hot.
It was warm driving the van. How was it? Good?
Oh. Apart from the British traffic. There you boy. There you boy. Oh, hey you. Oh, hey you.
Let me go round to see Piper.
Baby, you jump out now, mate.
How was it?
Just watch your head when you're
Yeah?
there, look.
Was it a fun ride?
Got the Fanta, had 2 packs of crisps.
2 packets of crisps.
Yeah, 1 for snack and 1 for the extra crisp for lunch.
Well, that's just a bit cheeky. It's a little bit, huh?
A little bit bigger.
Hey!
But at least we got some
Look at that.
That is so cool.
Amazing, huh?
Well, at least we got some shade to play.
It wasn't actually too good. It was a good drive. Are you going to help me drive it?
Yeah.
Just no touching the buttons, okay, mate? Right then, guys, let's give you a little tour of this, what it looks like now. So this is a Mercedes-Benz Artigo 818, which means it's got a slightly bigger engine in it. It's got a 5.1 litre engine, pulling 170 brake horsepower. It is the sleeper cab, which we're going to turn into a crew cab. So let's have a little look inside. So, we've got manual gearbox, really big, spacious. We've actually got the high top in this as well, and as you can see at the minute we've got a little sleeper bunk there. But what we're going to do is we're going to take all of that out, take out the heater unit, and we're actually going to put rear seats in there, and we're going to put 2 new windows in these back panels. So we're going to take these out and put 2 new windows in there, and we can all travel in the front here. So that was the best choice we had. We didn't want to do a cut through in the end. This is what we wanted. Right, so let's go around the back. Let's go back outside. We'll show you what's going on, and then Kira will show you inside the truck. Okay, so this is 9.05 meters long. So there are bigger motorhomes, and it is, what did we measure it at? 3.4 meters high. So it's naturally not that tall. It's actually about the same height as the pop top lifts, yeah, on our current van. So it's just over 9 meters long. The box on the back is 22 foot. So we've got 22 foot of space to play with here. We do not have a tail lift, so we don't have to mess around taking that off. And we've got barn doors, so we can either keep these on or we can take them off and panel them up. So yeah, really good truck. So let's open the back up, and Kira will show you in here. Right, wait there. Wait there. There we go. I'm new to trucking. Right, let's just hook this on.
Right guys, so this is our new living space, or it will be our new living space. So this is a 22 foot box, and it is absolutely massive. Huge space to work with here. So as you can see, it is just an empty box. There isn't a great deal of prep work to do. There's no stripping out or any of that. So we really can get cracking on this build pretty much straight away. So we do have a layout planned, but we're not going to let you guys in on that quite yet. But we have got started, and I say we, but you'll see down here, little dustpan and brush. Jack was desperate to start helping and start getting this ready to convert. So he's been in here sweeping up a little bit, and he came out earlier and his feet were just completely black. So they're going to need a bit of a clean tonight. But yeah, this is our living space. We are looking forward to converting it.